how to improve your production processes towards productivity and quality. If your company is not a leader in the industry, learn to benchmark the best in class or copy the best practices done by our top competitors. What we can adapt to our organization. Streamline production processes through process audit, reducing lead time, and minimizing redundancy and non-value added activities. Negotiate and partners with certified and qualified vendors, because vendors and suppliers play a key role in productivity and customer service. Minimize production and machine setup time by standardizing your spare parts and product models. Re-engineer your organizational structure. It should be customer-oriented. Still, learn to motivate organizational members. Thank you very much and shukran.